Mga ka-viewers, we are here in SM Bacoor. Ito mami ko. We are here in Panda Express. What you call this? Chinese kitchen. Ayan, mami ko. Ayan, mami ko. Ayan. Oh, ganda. Ay, ganda. Buhok, buhok, buhok.
Ako nga, mami ako yan.
Buhok. Panda Express, guys. We're here in SM Bacoor. Look at this. Wow. First wheel with a circle here. Train in the like that. National Bookstore tayo, ma.
Wala pa naman yun eh. Unay mo ako?
National Bookstore, ma. There is National Bookstore. Also, La Cabor restaurant here. Lujiu and other parts of the restaurants here. Toy Kingdom.
May nag-sponsor sa kanila. May nag-sponsor dyan. Ay, dati.
National Bookstore, guys.
May nag-sponsor dyan.
Yes. Sumuniko Max Langnau and National Bookstore. We will go here in National Bookstore. Yeah. Picture taking this wall, mami. O picture taking mamaya. Ito, picture taking wall. Lanao. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and Seria Vlog. Hit the notification bell, like and share my video. Love your parents and your neighbors. This is my mom, 83 years old. Mami. Bye na, bye. Bye.